Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So for today's video, we're going to be doing our February 2020 Boxycharm and Ipsy review for you guys. So if you want to see this, keep on watching.
First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you O.P.E.N. We should be closer than friends. If you O.P.E.N. engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's O.P.E.N. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest. And it's hard to
So for my Boxycharm box this month, I got the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. Looks like this. This is like, it's a leave-in cream, but it's supposed to help with frizz, with shine, all that good stuff. And you can use it as just like a leave-in, or you can like style with it, so you can blow dry with it as well. And it also says it for dry hair, you can use it to just kind of like tame down little flyaways and stuff like that.
Put this.
I've been using it just to, like, I put it in my hair after I wash my hair, brush it out and everything, and I've just been letting it air dry with my curls. And I feel like it does a pretty good job of keeping it from getting super frizzy. And it does feel pretty soft. So I think it's pretty good. I want to try it blow dried though. And I want to see like how it would feel with me, you know, smoothing it out and everything like that. But overall, I think it's pretty good. So the next product I got is my Luxie Complete Sponge Set. So one's for baking, one's for contour, and one's for detailing. So three different sizes like this. I used this one to apply my foundation with. I'm not gonna say it's bad, but I don't really prefer it over some of the ones that I've used before, because I feel like I like my sponges to be really, really soft. Like usually they almost double in size when I, you know, dampen them and everything. And this one didn't really do that. And I feel like I have a lot of sponges that are softer and I feel like are more comfortable for me to use and blend with and everything. So I probably wouldn't buy them myself personally, but obviously I'm going to use them, of course. But, you know, I'm going to try the other ones out to see how they feel as well. But this is the matte liquid lipstick that I'm wearing in the shade Monroe. I mean, it's not super bad. It could be worse. It's dry, but you get that in, like, all liquid lipstick formulas. But I feel like I've had worse. It's dry, but I've had worse, and I feel like I really like the color. Like
It's pretty.
And it's not really, it wasn't streaky when I applied it either, which I like. Yeah, it's a really pretty color. And like I said, like I hate when I apply a deeper, usually it's with deeper colors, when you apply liquid lipstick, it gets pretty streaky depending on the formula and stuff like that. And this one wasn't like that, so I like it overall. And the next product I got was the QMS Meta Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care Cream. I haven't tried it, but it's a day and night eye cream. And I wish I had my little card so I can read like all the details for you guys, but I lost it. But I haven't tried this yet, but this is what it looks like. Okay, and then the last product I got from Boxycharm this month is the Pretty Vulgar Faux Real mascara, which I really like. It definitely made my lashes like nice and fluffy, kept the volume in. A lot of times after I curl my lashes and apply my mascara, they'll get really weighed down if it's not like a certain formula. And I don't feel like they're weighed down at all. They feel soft and not like clumpy. You know how certain mascaras, like, they'll clump together if you like rub your eye or something. I feel like this wouldn't do that. It feels nice and soft. They look nice and volumized, nice and black, which I like. And I really like the brush. I really like the brush. Like, this is great. It's perfect for like a fuller look. And then for Ipsy this month, first of all, this bag is really cute and really soft. But the products that I got are this K-Boss Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter in the shade Moonlit. Oh, Moonlight, my bad, Moonlight. Which I ruined, I stuck my finger on it apparently. But it's this really pretty, like, super cool icy pink shade. Really, really nice. There's that. I got this, this cream shadow from the Balm. It's the Pedal to the Metal Vava Vroom eyeshadow in Turbo, which I put on my lid. It has like a nice sparkle to it, which I like. Little, you know, glitter flecks in there and stuff. And it has a little bit of a shift too. I like it a lot. So there's that, and I also got the Tarte Sex Kitten Liner, and this is what the applicator looks like. Felt tip, a little on the thicker side, but not very difficult to work with. Usually I feel like tips that are a little too thick, you can't make a precise line with sometimes, but I liked it. And it's very like, it's nice and black. It wasn't streaky, and it just applied really nicely. This is the Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in the color Bang. It's like, I believe it's supposed to be, yeah, it's matte. It's a really pretty, like, pinkish nude color, if you can see that. And the only reason I didn't try it on is because I wanted to go for the red. I really wanted to see how that wore, how it wore. Oh my god. But let's see, there's that. And then the last product I got, sorry, was this, how do I say this name? Khaleesi?
I think it's Khaleesi, no?
I have no idea. Khaleesi, one of the two. Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. This tiny little sample right here. It's a cleanser with little beads in it, so I'm guessing it's like slightly exfoliating. But I have not tried it yet, so I can't really give you my thoughts on it. But that's what it looks like there. I'm gonna go over prices really quick. So the cleanser was, the full size version is $21.95. The full size version of the lipstick is $26. The highlighter, $28. Let's see. The deluxe sample of the eyeshadow is $29.50, and the full size liner is $20. So that's that. And then for Boxycharm, the Queen lipstick was $17. The Amika Shine Cream was $25. The Luxie sponge set is $40. The mascara was $23, and the eye cream was $132. So that brought my box to a total of $237 retail value. So I feel like I got a lot out of this box for sure, because I mean, it's $25, you know, and $237 worth of products is great. And I liked most of the stuff that I got. I can't really say too much about the eye cream because I didn't use it yet, but I'll probably like it. So that's me. I'm done.
Alright guys, so I didn't get much of makeup. So I have the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrate Bio Mimicking Peptide Serum. This was one of the products that they had for the options. So I picked this one only because I like the brand. They have this exfoliator that I had tried before that it was really nice. So I figured I'd give this a try. So it says smooth and firm. It's just supposed to transform doll saggy skin
Ooh.
into visible, firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin.
Nice.
So it's just kind of like morning and night serum. It says AM and PM. But I haven't tried that, so I can't really give you guys an opinion on that. That was $98.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's kind of expensive. Then I have the Luxy Beauty, the Complex Plunge Set, which Cindy already talked about. And I haven't tried them, but I did take them out. I took all of them out, and I was like feeling on them. And I kind of agree with Cindy. Like, this one is the softest one, and it's still kind of...
It's pretty tough.
Yeah. And this was the firmest one, but I believe this was the baking one. I just cannot. I couldn't get down with it. I don't know.
I mean, like, okay, yeah, for baking, because all you're doing is tapping powder on, so it doesn't have to be all that soft. But the other one, I was really expecting it to be softer. Especially for, like, it's a good brand, and the price of it, I was expecting it to be a little bit better than what it was.
Yeah, the price is $40 for those 3 sponges. I also have the Amika Supernova Moisturizer Plus Shine. So something that Cindy didn't say was the smell, the scent. I don't like my products to be this strong.
I can't smell it.
It's so strong. It's like,
Can I smell anything through this? Sorry, guys, I'm a little sick.
I don't like when the products are like this scented.
Yeah, I can't
It's
really
very
smell
overpowering. It's a good brand though. And I'm looking forward to trying it, but I don't like the smell. The smell is good. It smells really good, but it's just so strong.
It's too much for you.
And that retails for $25. So then I have this Moda. How do you say this?
Moda, yeah.
The 5-piece brush kit. It's just kind of like it's a deluxe eye kit. That's what it looks like. I haven't opened it. I like their brushes. They're really soft and they're nice. They don't feel cheap. But I haven't tried these. I don't think I'm gonna try them though, because I have a lot of brushes. I don't think I need more. So I might give this away. Looks so priced off. And then I have the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, Energizing and Rescue. So this is a face primer. It says here that you could use it with makeup and without makeup. And it says that it has aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. The probiotics part was like, I was like, what? It's trippy to me because I love probiotics. It's also silicone free. But I hate the smell. It smells like fruit punch.
You're just not a fan of scents, like too much of scents.
But it smells like fruit punch. I don't get it.
You're like, how? Why?
I don't know. And I was reading it when I first got in. Like, it had said a bunch of stuff in here, like citrus kind of situation going on.
Oh, that's probably what it smells like.
Yeah, it's like so fruity. I don't like it. And that was $17. So the total of my box for this month was $207.95. And the theme for today's month was adore. I really like this.
See, I wish I had my card.
But they did me bogus because this is my birthday month and they did me bogus with this. Like, I didn't.
She expected better.
I didn't get anything lit. It's just that
She just didn't get any makeup, like.
And I could have gotten that one palette, but I didn't really feel the palette. I wasn't feeling the palette. I wasn't feeling the vibes. It was just not what. It's not what I paid for.
You literally got no makeup.
I didn't, and I also don't understand why I got sponges and brushes. Why Boxycharm? Why you do me?
Well, that's kind of how they did me. What, last month when I only got like the lipstick?
They have never done this to me though. They never
steered you wrong.
Bad.
Yeah, I'm like, I was I was kind of disappointed with the one where I got like mostly skincare products.
That was the last
but,
one.
Yeah, this one wasn't too bad just because I got these. I do like the hair cream, so
I like the hair cream too, and I like the brand. I like Amika.
Yeah. Overall, I got a good value.
It was.
I like these products. Yeah, I like these products, and I feel like they're things I'll use. So I'm happy.
Same.
I'm kind of upset that I haven't gotten palettes twice in a row. I want the palettes. Give me the palettes. But yeah, guys, so that's it for today's video. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and don't hit
No, do hit the door. The
door. Not the door. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified every time we upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on our next one. Bye.
Bye.